Hi guys, bro, I want to show that this device today is coming from China. That's the company of DOCA, and thanks for sending that to me, and I really appreciate to unboxing their products. And this place is a 5-port USB desktop charger, and it includes the Type C and the Quick Charger 3.0. And now I'm unboxing it. The box is very good quality, really. And now I'm unboxing. Its stuff is sliding down like an iPhone's box. They made it like that, and now it's really sliding down. Wow. And there's a DOCA, you see the user manual on there. It's writing on there the German language, I think so. It's the German and the English language. The USB desktop charger G576 user manual in there. And this one is you are using that. It's very good quality. It's a plastic, I think so, but it's this side of the aluminium here. You can see that. It's an aluminium, I believe. It's a good place here, and you are seeing this charger plug on there in the model B576. You can see the information about the ports on here, and it's really cool device. It's a good one, and you can use here for quick charging. It's a quick charger also, but with a 2.48 ampere, I think so. It's for your old devices. The 1A is a 1 ampere, and the Type C I have never used that before because I don't use any Android devices, and you can use it for your Android devices at the same time if you want to charge it. And it's the same ampere on here, and you can use it the blue port for your quick charge sports devices on here. It's really pretty cool. I tried it, but I don't have a charger right now. I can use that, and I will make a video about that later at this place. And you can see that the name of the company is the DOCA. It's really good device. And also in the box you will see the charger coming with the charger on here, adapter. You can see that the input and output on there. All these products coming from China. It's really good, and the quality is very good for that device. You can see that this blue lights on there, and everything is good, really good. DOCA is very good company. You can trust them. You must support them because they are producing very good quality with the cheapest prices on there. And I will make a video about that, and see you later. Thanks for watching.